Hi everyone, this is Surbhi here. Welcome to my channel. People who don't know me, I'm an acrylic abstract artist from London and I love working with colors, and I've been making different kind of acrylic pose, fluid art paintings, and I really love and enjoy making those paintings. So today is going to be a special painting which I really love making. So it's going to be a ring pour on a canvas, and then I'm going to be using marbles to get that marble run effect as well, as I've seen lots of artists out there are using marbles recently in their paintings. So I love making this painting. I hope you like it, and also I would like to thank my subscribers for subscribing to my channel, motivating me, and it really helps me. So if you like this video, give me a like or leave some comments for me about different color combinations which I could use for my future paintings. So for this painting I'm going to be using really nice blues, silver as well, and the colors are mixed with Floetrol and gloss medium and varnish, little bit of water as well, because it is a very thick consistency paints, and I'm going to layer the paints in a cup, do a ring pour, and then use a marble on the top afterwards, and then I'm going to stretch the paints. So I hope you like it. Give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and let's paint. Hello everyone. To begin with, I have my 40 centimeter round canvas which I have just taped at the back just so it's nice and clean, and I'm going to be using my marbles. So this is a marble run painting, all of you. So I have got different sizes of marbles here, but I think I'm going to use the bigger one, the bigger marble. To begin with, I am just going to make a little puddle of paint in the middle. I don't need to cover the whole canvas because this is a ring pour, and I'm just going to do a ring pour with these colors. So these are, as you can see, beautiful colors. I've got silver, I've got different shades of blues, turquoise, cyan blue, ultramarine blue, and iridescent green as well, Payne's grey. So all of these are layered in a cup, as you can see. And you can see the description of the paints, different paints which I have used, the colors, and how I have mixed them in the description box below. So check it out. So let's start by making a puddle in the middle first. This is just so the paints can move easily on the canvas. And then I'm going to be doing my ring pour. So let's start. Little bit nervous for this one because this is a big canvas, and also ring pour and then marble, two different techniques in this one. So let's see how it turns out. Fingers crossed, everyone. So leave some comments for me if you would like. Maybe give some suggestions for different color combinations which I can use. Oh, no drips. That's lucky me, just testing my torch. Oh. Don't want to burn my paints. I think my torch looks fine there. So let's start by making a puddle. Oh, a little bit nervous, but off we go. You can see the beautiful rings already. The center is very, very important, so if you get that right. Trying to catch all of the paint to the last drip. I think we got that. Oh, without a drip. Okay. Now I'm going to be using my torch for this, just to blow it out. Okay. Using my blowtorch for any air bubbles that we have. It's good to get rid of them now rather than later. Okay, and now the fun part. So I've got my marble. I'm going to start from the side and let's see if it rolls gently. Seems like the marble was a little bit bigger. Okay, trying to be a little bit more brave here. It's fun, enjoying that at the moment. Let's see what lovely pattern we get. I think that's it. I might, I think, lose my iridescent green in the corner there, but it's okay. We got these lovely blues, and then I'm going to stretch it out. Okay, I think that's it. Wow, amazing. I can see the lovely nice rings. Okay, so let's pick up the marble carefully, and here we go. I can already see the lovely patterns. Okay, so let's begin to stretch the canvas now. Just moving my marbles away, and let's see what lovely pattern we can get. So I'm going to move it very, very slowly in a circular motion. So trying to think about I don't lose the center. Coming back to the center again. I think this was my center here, this one. So it's just trying to go to the corner a little bit. And we have lost the lovely iridescent green. That's okay. We're only trying. Oh, and doesn't matter if it comes to the sides, because then I can have the lovely coverage on the sides as well. Wow, looks amazing. I like the beautiful lines, the rings, and it's all covered on the sides as well, very nicely. Beautiful, I like it, love it. Love this one. Let me give one more little tilt, and then we're going to stop here. Not going to stretch it too much. Love it, love it. Beautiful. So I hope you like it too. I'm just going to go in a little bit closer for you all so we can have a look. I like this part, this area, very nice. And how I've got these straight lines here in this area. Love it, love it. Okay. So if I stretch it a lot, I'm not going to have a very nice coverage on the sides, but I think a tiny bit more, so the sides are well covered. And I don't want to have too much paint either, otherwise I might have some cracking. Okay, let's go back. And here it is. We're going to stop here. So beautiful. Looks like an ocean to me. It's going to. Okay, so I'm going to show you the close-up. going to the canvas, and you just take it from there. But I'm really happy with the lines, the rings, and I hope you like that too. So let me take you down into the canvas. So look at that. Beautiful. Have a look at this. We've lost the middle and we lost the iridescent green as well. But I've still got these beautiful blues, turquoise, cyan, Payne's grey. Not too much, but I can see the lovely combination of the blues here. Lovely. Looks like a valley. And also it's got effect of ocean waves. I'm happy with this one. Look at these cells here, lovely. So many cells. Wow, amazing. And there is no silicone in this one. So it's just Floetrol, pouring medium, paints. Not too much water, just a tiny bit of water, just to make sure the paints are not too thick. This is amazing part. I love it. So I hope you like it too, and I'm going to share the dried result with you as well. So leave some comments for me, give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And I'll share my dried result. Thank you for watching.